Hello my friends, it's 12th of December today, and we are going to see what this box has for, I wanted to say for us, no, for me, in the box number 12, or packet number 12. Do you want to know? I want to know as well. So please like and subscribe. It will take you less than a second to click that button, and I'm going to open the box as soon as I will see that my numbers are going up. Only joking. Alright, let's have a look at number 12. Ah, there we go. Number 12. What could this be? I'm thinking it could be like a case, some sort. It's kind of, it's an interesting shape. Here, let's have a look. It is a bag. Of course it has a Missouri star pattern on it. I wonder what's in it. So into Loganizer. Ooh. Hasn't got anything in it, I wonder. Do you think? Yes, no? Oh, wow. It's expandable. Is it? Yes, it is. Don't think it has anything in it. Scissors. Not real. So, now I know. Here I will put scissors. 2 pairs and Jack the Ripper. What's in another one? Doesn't have anything, but it's a very useful compartment. And the last one. It has a picture of cutters, rollerblades, so, and a nice bag with netting. Nice, nice, very useful, very, very useful. Thank you, Jenny. Yeah, and now we reached halfway before Christmas. Can't believe how quick these days go. Do you? Let me know in the comments what you're doing for Christmas. Are you getting ready? Are you ready for it yet? I know some people are ready in March. I'm not ready for it at all. Alright, I will see you tomorrow when we open next box. Bye!